This tutorial shows a method for studying the mechanism of reinforcement using functional brain imaging, or fMRI. In this protocol, subjects undergo functional imaging while performing a visual decision-making task, which is reinforced by stimuli that are rewarding, juice, aversive, air puff, or neutral, auditory tone. Through scanner-compatible goggles, subjects must decide whether an array of dots are traveling fast or whether they are moving slow. Eye movements and physiological responses, such as breathing and heart rate, are also monitored.
Hi, I'm Jack Grinband from the laboratory of Ferrera and Joy Hirsch in the Department of Neuroscience at Columbia University.
And I'm Franco Pestilli, also from the Ferrera lab here at Columbia University.
Today we will show you a procedure for functional imaging with behavioral reinforcement, physiological monitoring, and eye tracking.
We use this procedure in our laboratory to study decision-making with appetitive and aversive reinforcement.
So let's get started.
The first steps in running an fMRI experiment involve setting up and checking the equipment. These steps can be done in any order. During our experiments, subjects are rewarded for making correct behavioral responses. The rewarding stimulus is the subject's favorite beverage, delivered by a juice dispenser that controls the amount of liquid delivered to the subject's mouth. The juice dispenser consists of a reservoir, a computer-controlled solenoid valve, and a long tube that delivers juice.